Hello guys, welcome to my channel Raj English Solution. Now I am going to tell you some tricks which tricks will help you to improve your spoken English. Now we will discuss about that tricks. Everybody is telling you that, every YouTubers are telling you that you just keep thinking. How would you think? How would you think in English? If there is no object, if there is no sentence, how will you think? I'm just giving you some example, which example will help you to improve your English communication skill. Now just I'm telling you that tricks, which tricks will most help you. Listen. Suppose there is a pot. If you pour the water in that pot, what will happen? It will take till the top. After that, the water will fall down like this. Our memory also is like this. If you listen any story, any movie sentence, then what will happen? You can automatically keep some sentence in your mind, and when you will speak, you can use that sentences like this. You just try to listen every day 1, 2, 3 story most. You have to listen more than 2 hours per day, so that it will help you to improve your spoken English. So I'm going to tell you some another sentences. Suppose you are in the room. There is the glass, watch, table, chair, window. Like this you can see. Take that object and make a sentence. How will you make sentence? Suppose there is a glass. You can say there is a glass. The glass is on the table and the glass is full of water. Like this you have to make some sentences. Okay. Now suppose I am in the garden. How I will make some sentence? See, there is the tree. There is the mango tree. Just I am going to toss this mango. If I will tell you that I am going to pluck this mango, the mango is not big, big is small. Like this you have to make some sentences. Okay. Now we will go to the another step. Another step, I am in the garden. I can see many types of trees and plants. You just see there are the brinjal plants. There is the brinjal plant. So like this you just make some sentences. Now you can see mango tree. Now you can see also jackfruit tree. So like this you have to make some sentences. You just keep practice. Nobody will help you to practice, but you yourself can help you to improve your spoken English. So like this you have to make some sentences. See, there are so many oats, dry wood, and just see there are the bricks. We will take that bricks and we will build our house. Okay, like this you can make some sentences. And I have uploaded my tense video. At least try to watch that tense video. If you watch that tense video, then automatically you can able to make some English sentences. That will most help you. So I will request all of my viewers, you just subscribe my channel. What will happen? You can get all my videos fast. So it will also help you to improve your spoken English. So like this you can also make some sentences. Right now I am wandering in my garden. I am going to home. Some people are running on the road. Like this you have to make some sentences. Whatever sentence come in your mind, you just speak that sentence. It will take some time to make some sentences, but I am very sure that if you practice every day, automatically after some days, gradually you can improve your spoken English. So like this you have to make some sentences. Whatever you are watching, whatever you are doing, you just try to speak in English. Okay. So suppose I am doing some work, I am watching movie, I am going to the market, and I am buying some vegetables. Like this you have to make some sentences. But practice is most necessary. If you practice sentence every day, then automatically you can be able to speak English. And I will request all my viewers, please subscribe my channel and you will get all my videos fast. So don't delay and subscribe my channel. Thank you all of my viewers. Thank you.